Okay, we've got this dryer set on high heat and it's blowing cold air. So we're going to replace the heating element. Okay, the first thing we're going to do on this Frigidaire dryer is remove the belt from the drive motor. And to do that, we got to get in through this little access panel on the back. Okay, right inside here you can see the belt right here. And what we're going to do is take the slack off, or the tightener, loosen the tightener here, and then take this belt off. So yeah, the pulley, you just pull this tightener away, just pivot it away. That loosens that up, and you can just pull that belt off the motor drive shaft. So that's all there is with that. And now we'll go up and open the top. Okay, these dryers have spring clips about 3 inches from the edge on each side, like so. You just take a flat edge and push that in there. And that releases that. Then you can just take the top and swing it back. So now what we're going to do is we'll take this little keeper off here. Okay, so we're going to remove this little keeper right here. Take this unit out. Okay, on the front side of each, on each side on the front, there's a little screw down there. You want to take each of those out on each side. Okay, so over here on this one side, there's a spring clip, and we're just going to take and push these outside together, and out that comes, down falls the tub, and so once we pull this out, then we can pull that tumbler. But we'll need to detach these wires here and pull those off so we can get some, maybe not, maybe we can just keep it together. Okay. I guess the way we got to take this out is through the front. So. Out goes the tumbler. Okay, so the heating element is exposed, and we can see now that it is in fact damaged and needs to be replaced. Okay, we're going to just remove this whole pan, this back plate of the heating element. There's 4 screws that go through the back side into here. We're going to pull those out and pull these contacts off, pull the whole thing out to replace the heating element. Okay, so it's a little bit dark here on this back side here, but here's a screw, here's one, and here's one. So we're going to remove those. Alright. Okay, so the way to get this element replaced out is you take these little prongs here and bend them back straight up so that we can slide that connector right on out, like so. Do that on both sides. And out that comes. Okay. Then we just take and work our way around this thing and pull the old element out of these ceramic holders. Alright, so we've got this all detached from those ceramic holders, and that's the old element. We've got a new one right here that we're going to put in. Okay, now to lay out the new coil heating element, I put the leads back through the ceramic block at the bottom. I haven't crimped them yet to not come out, but I've just laid this out so that the coil would go around the inside of all of the ceramic holders. So now what we're going to do is start attaching the coil. Yes, one coil goes right in the middle, and then it clips itself on each side. Like so. Okay, so we've got our coil in, installed all the way around. And now we're going to take our little nubs here, take some needle nose and just bend those so that they won't pull back out. Okay, while you have the dryer all apart, of course, it's a good idea and it's a good time to clean it all out down below. Also, check this back carrier bearing. Make sure that that's in good shape, that it's not worn out right here. It carries the load of all the tumbler, and you want to make sure that's in good shape before you put this all back. Start our reassembly, put our pan back in, and button everything back up. All right, so we got the tumbler back up on the back bearing. And then we got this front panel seated down on the hooks on the bottom. There's two little hooks on the front on each side. That sets down into those little hooks, and then it swings up, and the felt ring goes inside the tumbler, and then it snaps right back on with that little keeper over there. Now we're going to put our screws back in, and we just about have this buttoned up. Okay, we got our belt back on. All we did is put it around this idler pulley, the tension pulley, and put it back on to the drive shaft. Okay, so here's our moment of truth. We're going to plug our dryer back in, and we'll set a little bit of time on it. Push the button. Oh yeah, starting to heat up. Well, there we go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.